Wow. This is the one. Mom! Dad! Please buy me this car! This is exactly the one I want!
No, Henry. That toy is very expensive.
I want this car. I'm not moving from here until you buy it for me.
Henry, don't be so stubborn. Let's go home.
If you keep behaving like this, we're leaving right now.
Mom! Dad! Wait for me!
Henry, let's talk about what happened today. I want you to understand why your behavior wasn't okay.
I just wanted the car. It's not my fault.
Money doesn't fall from the sky, Henry. Everything comes from hard work. Hard work. That toy is a luxury. If you want that car, you'll have to earn the money yourself, starting today.
That's easy. I can finish the chores in 1 minute. Just watch me. This is so hard. I can't do it. Earning money is terrible.
Hang in there, buddy. Rome wasn't built in a day, son. Keep going. You can do this.
Here, let me help wipe your sweat. You're doing great. Thank you, Maya. I'm not giving up now.
Two, three.
4. Dad, is this enough for the remote control car?
You've only earned a little, Henry. The car is still very expensive.
After all that hard work, it's only this much?
Two, three.
4. No way! Someone already bought it! All my hard work was for nothing! Don't be sad, Henry. You learned how to work hard, and that matters more than the car. You're right, Maya. Earning money is hard. I shouldn't waste it.
Welcome, kids! Come see what we have for you inside.
What's in this box? Is it another toy?
Is it another toy? Open it and see. Henry, you earned this with your own hands.
Wow! But how did this happen?
We saw how hard you worked, Henry, and now you understand the value of money and effort.
My big brother! I'll study hard and help you both every day. Thank you, little sister. We make a great team.